What's up, Moto fans? Michael here at Moto Machines, and today we are going to be continuing the Tenere 700 build series with an overview of the titanium Mivv Oval Slip-On. Most of us are aware by now that the Tenere 700 comes with Yamaha's revered 270-degree crank parallel twin engine, or the CP2 as they like to call it. Now, we also know that this engine is an absolute peach, but also sounds sublime when you crack open that throttle and twist it all the way to the stop. But thanks to noise and emissions regulations, manufacturers have to put these massive pipes on the bike. And sometimes they look not bad, but not great. But in the case of the Tenere 700, it really doesn't look that great. And that's where Mivv comes into play. Now, Mivv has been in the exhaust making game for over 50 years, and they've had sponsorships in MotoGP, Moto 2, and they currently have a World Championship sponsor in Moto 3. Not many other exhaust manufacturers can say that. So it's no surprise that an Italian exhaust manufacturer with both hands and feet dipped into racing can make a simple but elegant muffler that also nets you horsepower and drops weight on the motorcycle. Now, this bad boy right here comes in two colorways. You have titanium, which is the one we've opted for, but if you want some more of that race spec finish, there's also carbon fiber available. Both of these options are gonna have carbon fiber accent end caps with removable baffles. Now, I should say non-removable baffle because that's where this comes into play. This muffler is Euro 5 approved so long as you do not remove the baffle. It is riveted in, but the way they have to put the rivet in means that you can drill it out and unleash all of that CP2 glory. Now, the muffler is going to net you a 2.2 horsepower gain. Now, that's not a real big kicker, but the part that is most important is the fact that you save nearly 6 pounds of weight over the OEM muffler. That is huge, and you're gonna notice it, and your butt dyno is gonna tell you your bike is faster because you made more power, but in all reality, it's the combination of that little horsepower bump and the weight loss as well. This muffler is gonna come with everything needed for installation and is incredibly easy to install as well. So without further ado, let's show you how to do it. Well, that's all we got for you guys today. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in more content like this, hit that bell notification so you can stay up to date on all the latest Moto Machines madness. Ride safe.